everyone, it is I, Selena. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Selena. I make videos occasionally when I feel like it, and today I definitely feel like it because I'm welcoming you from Tokyo, Japan. I actually joined a competition for C Channel, and C Channel is an app over here in Japan. It's very traditionally feminine, so there are DIY things, makeup, fashion, a lot of beauty, cooking, and stuff like that. And I entered the competition. Here is my video. You can click right here if you want to watch it. Basically, their concept is vertical videos because it is a phone app. So you can look it up right now. You can download it if you want. It's very, very famous in Japan, Taiwan, and a lot of other Asian countries. And I was lucky enough to be chosen to be the first winner and fly out to Japan. My experience so far has been great. It's been pretty cold, a little bit rainy, but that's okay. I've had a lot of good food so far, so I mean, if you like food, then check out my vlog. Today is the first day of the Super C Channel event, which is basically like Comic-Con for this app. I'm just gonna bring you along today and try to document as much as I can and show you guys my experience with C Channel at the Super C Channel event in Japan. Hi guys, so we are currently already in the Tokyo International Forum, and as you can see, it's a pretty busy day. I am very excited. Right now I'm with the team. There's Stella, Hachi, and Kanada, and we are gonna go around and see what's in store for us. I am super excited. I saw food, and then I'm seeing pictures, and I'm seeing makeup, and I'm actually going nuts. Lihat dong, yang ini gede banget.
So this is Selena, our first winner of Super C Channel Indonesia audition, Indonesia.
Yes. Hello everyone! Please leave in the comment section below if you have any questions. This very sweet girl, what's her name? Haiden. She asked me to take a picture with her at the Beauty and the Beast booth, so we're gonna do that right now. Y'all, guess what I just got? Givenchy lipsticks. Can you say bougie and bougie? Who even am I? Like, I don't even know at this point. Like, who even am I? First of all, welcome to my crib. Hi MTV. Doing the most, as per usual. Okay, we're gonna try a drink now, guys. The lovely lady over here is showing us around. And this drink is actually
pretty good.
It's really good.
Really good.
It's like apple juice with vinegar.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
And here we go to the cooking kitchen.
Yes, my favorite part. Also, hi, coming in for you live, and somebody just dared us on Facebook Live to like eat everything, and I'm like, girl, challenge accepted. I am here for the food, you know it. By the way, aku belum introduce loh. Ini Stella.
Halo.
Another fellow clipper, and look at that cotton candy. Oh my god. About to try the Luke's lobster roll. When you already tried without me.
Is it good, Selena?
I'm hungry, okay? Oh my god. Right? It's frozen, like it's cold.
It's frozen and then the bread is warm.
Yeah.
What is that, butter and garlic? I don't know.
Yeah, butter garlic.
Can I get one more?
The warm dance. A little bit more shopping and Kaden is singing. You wanna go?